Oh, look at Mash. Don't talk about it, okay? Here, kitty. Hey, baby, look at him. He finally came back. You see him? He jumps in here. See how he loves JJ? We have a way with the cats. You see that? What's wrong with his eyes? His eyes okay? Look at his eyes.
Let me see. Hold still. Yeah.
Oh, you're healthy, baby. You're okay. There's the other black one. He came back. See that? And there's the other gray one. Hey, babies. Come here. Come here. You're not as friendly? Come here. Come on, baby. Come here. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm the last person that will hurt you. Come on, babies. You want to eat? We got some food for you. See all the food? Now look who's up here. Our baby. You see how he's eating all the food?
That black and white one, the big one. That one there?
He's right here, yeah.
I know, I feed him separate.
Well, they look like they don't get along all that good.
No, the other ones won't eat with him for some reason. I don't know. So I feed him separate.
Look at you're so hungry, baby. You see that? You jump right in the back of the truck. Look at you, baby. Huh, Tiger? Hey, baby. We got 3 tigers.
I know.
Oh, there's a big black and white one. Black and white. There's a big one. Just like your socks. Look at your socks. Look at his face.
Yeah, I see him.
Like your socks. Come on, baby. You gotta come down and eat. Come on, baby. Come and eat, baby. Let's go. Come on. Come on. We got you. He's scared. He's really scared, JJ.
Eat here. Come on. Come on. This one's friendly.
Yeah, they're both friendly. And
No, that one ain't friendly.
No, he's not friendly. He's scared. But where's the other gray one?
There's 2 other gray ones.
Oh, right here. Come on, baby. You got.
Wait till they're coming.
They're right here, JJ.
I know. You gotta back up. They won't come.
Well, you see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's another gray one. 5. What's that? Come on, baby. Come on.
Gotta back away. Those other 2 won't come over.
They're already over there. He came over. The other gray one, the other tiger one came over when I was there.
But there's 3 of them.
There's 4 of them there now.
There's 4 cats, but there's another tiger one. And he won't come around if he's standing around here.
You know how many times you and I are out here and I know this, so stop repeating yourself. We're good. He gets like that sometimes. He can become grouchy. But yeah, I get his point.
Oh, we got an orange.
There's another one behind us and there's an orange. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's another one behind us. Hey, baby. Don't start to fight and be good. Get along with one another. Yeah. We got 3 tiger ones. He just ran because the other cat chased him away. The black and white one's eating with the black one now. And where did the orange one go?
Come on. Come on.
You gotta separate them because they're too close. Those 2 started eating together.
Where's the orange one?
He went behind a garbage pail. Just put it by the other side of the tree. Because Friendly here wants to eat.
Go on, eat. Not you, tiger.
Okay, you got to get the one behind. Just put it on the other side.
Get this other tiger one to come over here and eat where he's supposed to.
He's over here. He's right
He
there.
is.
Just put it over here, then put it on this side.
No,
You can't put it over
this
here?
is for the orange one.
Okay.
That one's got to go back over there and eat where he's supposed to.
Well, the orange one, I think, went underneath the car. Come on, baby.
All right, now he's back over there. How many tigers are there?
We got 3 tigers.
I know what I got. I'm just trying to see. Here's one. He's going back in the car again.
I know he's going back in the car. He's saying, I'm comfortable over there. That's where I'll eat at. You're going back in the car, huh, baby? What's wrong? You can't eat out there? You don't want to eat out there with these guys?
Come on, baby.
Trying to see where the gold one went at. 'Cause we just had one big gold one come out. We didn't have him before. I think he's underneath the vehicle. Stop following me. Come on. Come on over here. Come here. Come on. You gotta follow me. Come on. Come here. Come here. Get over here. Get over here to JJ. Come on. Out the road. Come on, baby. Out the road.
I'll feed him. Here, baby. Come here. Come on, baby.
He just doesn't want to eat over there with the other ones.
Come on. Come on. Here. Hey. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby.
Black and white one's going over there.
Come on, baby.
Take him home. He wants to go home with you, JJ.
Yeah, that's all I need.
Why? You already lost one cat, so you're replacing it with the one that you just lost.
I can't do that. Come on. Come on.
I know. I'd like to take them all home too, but
Come on, baby.
he's right there.
Here. Here.
I think the big black one is kind of aggressive and scaring some of the cats.
Alright, so there's two tigers here. Where the hell's the other tiger?
I don't know. I know there was another one and then the gold one. Okay, on to our next spot, guys.
That light might be scaring them.